Good morning, KG1. How are you? Welcome to our math video. Today, we will be learning about a new number, and we will be reviewing all the shapes that we took before. Our new number today is the number 7. Number 7 comes right after number 6. Let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is how we write number 7. Number 7 can be shown in lots of different ways. Like this. On our fingers, 5, 2, 5 fingers on one hand, 2 fingers on the other hand, 7. This is the word 7. This is how we show number 7 with number shapes. And we can also see number 7 on a domino or a dice. Can you spot number 7 on the number line? Where do you think it's going to be? Yes, right after number 6. Very good. 7. 7 bees want to land on the flower. Can you help them? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bees are on the flower. Now Anya needs to find the jar of 7 sweets. There's a jar that has only 7 candies in it. Can you count the candies? Let's see if you're right. Well done! It's this jar. This jar has exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, quickly, go around the house. Look for 7 things that you can count. Count them and make sure they are 7. Now, can you jump 7 times like a frog? Hop like a frog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. Can you show me 7 fingers one more time? Great. Now we're going to play a game, but before we do, let's listen to the song.
I can show the number 7 in many ways. Love can sing along and let's burn today. I can show the number 7 in many ways. I can show the number 7 as a picture, like this. 7. I can show the number 7 as a numeral, like this. 7. I can show the number 7 on fingers, like this. 7. I can show the number 7 in a 10 frame, like this. 7. I can show the number 7 in many ways. I can show the number 7 with tally marks, like this. 7. I can show the number 7 on a number line, like this. 7. I can show the number 7 as a word, like this. 7. I can show the number 7 on dice, like this. 7.
number 7, we're going to play a game to review the shapes. Can you guess what shape is in the picture? I think I know. Do you know what shape is this? Yes, right. It's a circle. Circle. Now let's find out what shape is under here. This is something that looks like a circle. It looks like a squashed circle. It's an oval. This is an oval. How about this shape? It's red. Yes, you're right. It's a heart. Heart. Now let's see what shape is this. It's green. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. It's a square. One more shape. What do you think is this? It's a star. Star. The last shape is something that has 3 sides, 3 corners. Yes, you're absolutely right. This is a triangle. Triangle. It was really nice. I hope you learned something new today, and I hope we reviewed all our shapes. Take care and see you in the next video.